That is the problem is that a long solenoid carries a current of 5 ampere. If the number of turns is 3000 per 0.3 meter length of the solenoid, the magnetic induction inside on the axis of the solenoid, that is the length of the solenoid is that is L equal to 0.3 meter. 0.3 meter is the length of the solenoid, and 3 is 3000 number of turns on a length 0.3 meter in length. It carries a current of 5 ampere. 5 ampere is the current. I is given, that is 5 ampere. We have to find the magnetic induction. B is equal to what? The formula for the magnetic induction along the solenoid is B equal to mu 0 upon mu 0 Ni. Here mu 0 be the permeability of air medium. N be the small n be the number of turns per unit length, and I be the electric current which flowing through the solenoid. Small n be the number of turns. We have to give the total number of turns is 3000. 3000 is the total number of turns. Suppose that on 1 meter length the number of turns is n, and on L length, that is says capital N. Capital N be the total number of turns of the solenoid of a length 0.3 meter. That is, we take the cross multiplication here, that is N into L. N into small n into L equal to L. That is N is equal to small m is equal to on in unit length of the solenoid the number of turns is small m, and the capital N be the number of turns of the length as L. That is N equal to N into 1 or N into L, like this. We have to write the formula in terms of the N equal to capital N divided by L. We put the value of number of turns per unit length in that equation. We get B equal to mu 0 capital N I divided by L. We have to give on the capital M is 3000. That is, the value of mu 0 is always given. That is 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7. 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7 is the permeability of air medium. That is always given in problem. And N number of turns is 3000. 3000 is written as 3000 be the number of turns, and N I be the electric current, that is given 5 ampere. Small l that is the 0.3 meter. That is equal to 4 pi that is 3000 is written as 3 into 1000, that is 3 into 3000 is written as 3 into 10 raised to 3. 10 raised to 3 means the 1000 into 5, that is the value of current, and the power is 10 raised to minus 7. Simplify that problem. 10 raised to minus 7 divided by 0.3. 0.3 Point 3 is written as 3 into 10 raised to minus 1. Point 3 is written as 3 into 10 raised to minus 1 is equal to here 3 get cancelled. For the value of pi is 3.14. We have to put the value of pi is 3.14. That is 10 raised to 3 and 10 raised to minus 7. That is 10 raised to minus 4. 10 raised to 3 and 10 raised to minus 7. That is 10 raised to minus 4. And that 10 raised to minus 1 taken in numerator. That is power get positive. 10 raised to minus 1 to 10 raised to plus 1. That is 10 raised to plus 1. Like this. 3 get cancelled here. The 4 into 3.14 is 12.56. The multiplication into 10 raised to minus 4 and 10 raised to plus 1. 10 raised to minus 4 and 10 raised to plus 1 equal to 10 raised to minus 3. That is B equal to that is also the 5. 5 is remaining here. Current, value of current equal to, that is B equal to 12.56 into 5 into 10 raised to minus 3. That is 12.56 into 5. 5 6 are 30. 3. 5 5 are 25. 25 into 3, 8. That is 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 3. 5 5s 5 6 are 30. 5 5s are 5 6 are 30. 5 5s are 25. 25 into 3, 28. That is 2. 5 2s are 10 plus 2. 1 carry. 5 6 6. The multiplication of 12.56 into 5, that is B equal to 62.80 into 10 raised to minus 3. The multiple choice 60.8 into 10 raised to minus 3 Tesla. That answer is correct. A is correct. Your answer is 62.80 into 10 raised to minus 3 Tesla. The first multiple choice, that is 62.8 into 10 raised to minus 3 Tesla, is correct. The another problem number says something 11. A solenoid of length, a solenoid of length 1.5 meter and 4 centimeter diameter. 4 centimeter diameter. 4 centimeter diameter. Yeah. Passes 10 tons 10 tons 10 tons passes 10 tons per meter. 10 tons per meter. 10 tons per meter. A current of 5 ampere is flowing. A current of 5 ampere is flowing through it. Flowing through it. The magnitude of magnetic induction. The magnetic induction. at axis inside the solenoid inside the solenoid is 4 pi is multiple choice A, that is 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 5 Gauss is the CGS unit. B 4 pi 2 pi into 10 raised to minus 5 Gauss. C, that is 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 5 Tesla. D 2 pi into 10 raised to minus 5 Tesla. The problem is that a solenoid of length 1.5 meter. We have to given the length of solenoid, that is 1.5 meter, and diameter of the solenoid is 4 centimeter. It has given the 10 turns per meter, that is small n is given. A current of 5 ampere is flowing through it. The magnitude of the magnetic induction at the axis inside the solenoid is, that is B equal to mu 0 Ni. We know that N equal to capital N divided by L. That is B equal to mu 0 N capital N I divided by L. B equal to 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7. Number of turns 10 turns per meter. 10 turns per meter. I is 5 divided by L. L is 1.5 meter. .5 meter, that is B equal to 4 pi into 10 raised to 1, that 10 raised to minus 6 into 5 divided by 1.5, that is 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 6 into 5, that is n 1.5, that is the 12.56 into 5 into 10 raised to minus 6 divided by 1.15 into 10 raised to minus 1. Correct. And I टू पाई करें जैसे 15 3 चौक 12 चौक 12 नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स चौक 12 5 3 15 15 અને 3 चौक 12 आंसर का है a solenoid of a length 2 pi into 10 raised to minus 5 Tesla ना इसका टेस्ट ना है 4 5 2 ना 3 that is 12.56